So you might have heard of Fairphone before. They've been quietly making an impact with their focus on modularity, repairability, and sustainability. But now, they're gearing up to make some serious noise under the leadership of their new CEO, Reinier Hendriks. Hendriks might not have a background in smartphone manufacturing, but he brings a wealth of experience from his time at Vodafone, KPN, and LeaseWeb. His philosophy? Understanding the customer, and that's something he believes transcends industries. So, what's on the horizon for Fairphone? Well, this year alone they are expanding into 23 new markets, already making moves in Austria and Switzerland, with plans for the UK in the works. And guess what? You'll start seeing Fairphone devices offered by carriers and distributors in these markets, making them more visible than ever. But that's not all. Fairphone isn't just aiming to compete, they're aiming to disrupt. Hendriks has his sights set on hitting the €400 price point. That's a whopping €300 less than their current flagship, the Fairphone 5. How? By teaming up with heavyweights like Google and Qualcomm for closer collaboration. Why the push for affordability? Well, Hendriks believes, to truly make an impact, Fairphone needs to offer more without compromise. And he's right. In a market where millions of smartphones are sold, being a blip on the radar won't cut it. People want sustainability without sacrificing performance or features, and that indeed appears to be a solid concept. It's not just another smartphone, it's a statement, and Hendriks knows that. He's assembled a crack team to revamp their marketing strategy and get their message out there like never before. So, will Fairphone revolutionize the smartphone industry? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, they're not just here to play, they're here to change the game. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, peace out.